Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the obvious electrical bases. Check battery voltage first, 12. 4V or higher indicates sufficient resting charge. Next, remove the seat and side panels, then inspect fuses and starter relay for blown elements. Use a multimeter to verify continuity at the key switch, neutral switch, and clutch switch. These often interrupt the push-start circuit. Once those live checks are done, make sure connectors are clean and tight. Corrosion here is a silent breaker. Now you move into the diagnostic middle. Perform a load test on the battery and measure voltage drop during a crank attempt to separate weak battery from wiring problems. If voltage is good, remove and bench test the starter motor and starter solenoid to confirm they spin and engage under direct 12V. This isolates the switch and relay. Then trace the wiring from the push button to the starter relay, using back probing to find intermittent opens, shorts, or a faulty ground connection. Finally, you replace any failed components. Swap a bad relay, rebuild or replace a weak starter, and repair corroded connectors. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future issues. Reassemble panels, then perform multiple start cycles to confirm reliable operation in neutral and with clutch pulled in. If the button still fails, recheck grounding straps, scan for immobilizer or ECU fault codes, and inspect the push-button switch itself. A stuck or worn contact inside the button is a common hidden culprit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.